All right, so I've done the excavation for the footing and we're going to start building that footing up. First, I'm going to put in about 150 mil of road base and hit it with a whacker. That'll push it down a little bit and compress it to about 130. Then I'm going to go over the top a little bit like icing a cake with a really weak mix of sand and cement. About 8 to 1 or 10 to 1's fine. That way you can trowel it off and get it dead flat. The perfect footing to lay your first block. Now that first block will still be a little bit into the ground, about half of the block. It looks really good because it's keyed into the earth and it's structurally strong. So making sure you can't see any of the footings doesn't just mean your wall's going to look better, it's going to be stronger. Now, as far as your mix goes, what I do and what every brickie would do is mix the sand and cement dry. It's a lot easier, just like mixing a cake, to get all the ingredients mixed through before you add the water. And if you look at it, it's pretty dry. It's more damp than wet. That means I can float it off and get a nice level pad. Now what I'm doing here is just making a track that's dead level. I can work off that with a metal float without disturbing that track. Just cutting into the sand and cement like a knife would cut into butter.